Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
The issue of impeaching the governor, they have not told us what the governor has done within these 5 months that will warrant his impeachment. At least Rivers First people really wants to know. They were voted by Rivers people and the governor himself was voted by Rivers people. And so the people you are representing are supposed to know why you want to impeach a governor, and up to date you've not been able to tell Rivers people what the man did. The only thing we are hearing is the former governor, Wike, is confirming that he orchestrated the impeachment move that has insulted the Rivers community, has insulted the governor, and has made the House of Assembly to be fools. He said he did it. And if you look at his utterances, one can reason that he did it because the same that he thought is a mumu, I started asking questions. And before now, same almost resigned because of the high-handedness of the former governor. The former governor was behaving as if he's a bully, was behaving as God, teen God, and the governor felt it is not right. The former governor decides what happens to the federal allocation that comes to the state, and before he left office, he has awarded so much contract. Of course, the ring road is almost 200 billion rather. And there are other roads he awarded, which he asked the current governor to pay for. That was not enough. He still wanted to control what he has been controlling, the internal revenue generated. So the governor at the point in time was a bit frustrated, and because he asked a question, they started the plan of a mutiny. Because what happened on that day was mutiny, or we call it perfect day on coup. Wike said coup is legalized. Yes, coup is legalized, both military or civilian. But if you succeed, then it is a good coup. If you fail, under normal, if it's military, you try on those who committed the coup. But because we are under democracy, and the governor, type of governor we have, who is calm, they are still talking. For Wike to be talking, he should be ashamed of himself. For all those elders who saw Sim and went to Wike, who could not tell Rivers people what sin he has committed, who could not tell Rivers people why Wike, Sim should go and beg Wike, came out and said, Sim, they blame Sim for everything. They said he should go and apologize. Rivers people are not happy. The man has ruled for 8 years, no interference. Today he has insulted a job people. But the job people brought him to be a governor. The foot soldiers he had in the elections were job people. The power that he used, the persons who stood for him, Mrs. Jonathan and her husband, they are all job people. These same persons made you governor. And they never came to you to tell you, you must do this, you must do that, you must do that. Today, you are leaving office, you must hand over to somebody. And you supported somebody who has been covering your back. You supported somebody who has been covering your back all this while, thinking that with him, your back will be covered. And yet, you don't give him breathing space. Even the plane, the state plane, he cannot use it. The governor must come and take permission from you before he does it. He cannot go to Abuja at all. If you observe, all the meetings of the PDP governors, he doesn't attend. Governors Forum, he doesn't attend. He cannot travel unless you have permission. For everything he wants to do, he will take permission. So if you want to sleep with his wife too, he will take permission. That's the situation the boy found himself. And for that, you want to impeach him, we totally condemn it.
Inside the Niger Delta,